welcome to the Krish Campbell School online classes. How are you all? I hope that all of you must be fine. This is the class for 5th and our subject is English. The topic which we will be going to discuss in this video will be who will play with me. मतलब मेरे साथ कौन खेलेगा. So this is the question all of you are having in your mind all the time कि हमें खेलना है, हमें बाहर जाना है. Now in this chapter there is a boy who is asking everyone, every animal who is in front of him कि मेरे साथ क्या आप खेलोगे, because what he does not like to go to school. उससे स्कूल जाना अच्छा नहीं लगता था. So what, वो स्कूल नहीं गया, he went to a park. और फिर अब हम रीड करेंगे कि आगे एक्चुअल में होता क्या है. So this is a story which you can truly relate because you will get to know in this story that जो लोग स्कूल जाना पसंद नहीं करते हैं, कुछ भी काम करना पसंद नहीं करते हैं, पूरे दिन खेलना पसंद करते हैं, उनके साथ खेलेगा कौन? Who will play with them? So as always, before starting the class and our chapter, I hope that all of you must be fine and must be safe at your home, must be attending all the online classes, doing all the assignments and worksheets and helping your parents at your home. और किसी को परेशान ना कर रहे हो. I hope आप लोग and you all must be safe. Okay, so let's just begin our chapter. Please take out this book, okay, and page number 44. Who will play with me? This is the chapter. Okay, so before starting the chapter, let me ask you some questions. What do you like more, to study or to play? आपको क्या ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है? आपको पढ़ना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है या आपको खेलना? Okay, so your answer will be we like to study as well as to play. हमें पढ़ना भी अच्छा लगता है और खेलना भी अच्छा लगता है. What will happen if you spend all of your time on playing and don't study? अगर आप पूरे टाइम अगर आप खेलते रहेंगे, पढ़ेंगे नहीं, तो आपको अच्छा लगेगा? क्या आपको मजा आएगा? No, you will not enjoy it. Our parents and teachers will not praise us. We will not be able to become a good person. हम क्या करेंगे? हमारे parents और teachers हमसे प्यार नहीं करेंगे, हमें प्रेज नहीं करेंगे और हम बड़े होके एक अच्छे इंसान नहीं बन पाएंगे, क्योंकि हमने स्टडी तो की नहीं, हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्या करते रहे? सिर्फ और सिर्फ हम प्ले करते रहे. ओके, सो you will not do the playing all the time, you will do the study also, because study is very important. Okay, let us begin our chapter. This is a story about a boy who does not like to study at all. उसको पढ़ाई लिखाई करना बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता है. One day he meets some creatures and then he changes. So what happened? One day he met so many creatures and this incident of his life changed his life. ये जो incident है इसने इसकी life को change कर दिया. Why does he change himself? Let us find out. और अब हम find out करेंगे कि उसने खुद को change क्यों किया, कैसे वो change हुआ. Okay, let's start. This is Rohit. He does not like his studies. Now there is a word, there is a name, Rohit. ये ही उस लड़के का नाम है जिसे कि पढ़ाई लिखाई अच्छी नहीं लगती है, सिर्फ और सिर्फ खेलना अच्छा लगता है. So his name is Rohit. So let's see what happens with Rohit. Okay, he does not like his studies. उसको पढ़ाई अच्छी नहीं लगती है. All of his friends go to school daily but he doesn't go there. So what happens? He always go out for playing. He don't like to go to school. उसको स्कूल जाना पसंद नहीं था because there will be study everywhere in school. स्कूल जाएंगे तो हमें पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी ना. Yes. He wanders here and there. One day he goes to a garden near his home. He wanders. Wanders का मतलब इधर उधर घूमना. Okay, wander करते रहते हैं, घूमता रहता है इधर उधर, सभी जगह वो घूमता रहता है. Because he is free, he is not going to school. So what he will do? He will wander here and there. He will wander here and there. Okay. And one day what happened? He goes to a park which is nearby his house. उसके घर के पास जो एक पार्क था, वो वहाँ पे जाता है. किस लिए? खेलने के लिए. Okay, yeah. He finds no other children in the garden to play. How will there be children? All the children were in the school because in the morning time everyone is in his or her school. got a holiday, then all of us are in the school. So he found no one in the park. He went to the park because he didn't like the studies. So he went there, he sat there, he was waiting that someone will come, but nobody came. कोई भी बच्चा वहाँ उसके साथ खेलने के लिए नहीं आया, नहीं था. He sits on a bench under the big banyan tree. Now what he did? He sat under a tree. एक tree के नीचे वो बैठ गया. Park में गया and then he was waiting for someone to come. When nobody came, he sat under a tree. एक tree के नीचे वो बैठ गया. He was waiting for someone to come. Okay? Yeah. I hope you got it till here. After some time, he notices a peacock dancing near the flower beds. Now what happened? After some time, he saw a peacock. एक peacock दिखा उन्होंने, एक मोर दिखा जो कि फूलों के बगीचे के पास में near the flower beds, the peacock was dancing. All of us know that peacock dances whenever the rain comes or whenever the peacock want to dance, it dances and it looks so beautiful. All of us know that. So the peacock was dancing there near the flower bed. Okay, he saw a peacock. Rohit walks to the peacock and says to him, now what? He was waiting someone to come. He was waiting for someone to come because he wanted to play. Now he went near the peacock and asked, क्या पूछा उसने peacock से? Let's just find it out. Yeah. Rohit walks to the peacock and says to him, will you play with me? क्या पूछा? क्या तुम मेरे साथ खेलोगे? मेरे साथ खेलोगे तुम peacock? The peacock says, I am busy, I am dancing, so I cannot play with you. See, everyone is busy. आपने भी ये देखा होगा at your home also. Everyone is busy. Mama is busy in kitchen. Papa is busy in his office or business. Your elder brother, sister must be busy in your studies. And you want to play. आपको खेलना है. मेरे साथ कोई खेलो, मेरे साथ कोई खेलो. मुझे बाहर लेके चलो, मुझे खेलना है. But there is no one. The same is happening with the Rohit. Now what the peacock said? I am busy. मैं busy हूँ. मुझे नहीं खेलना है. I am dancing. मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? मैं dance कर रहा हूँ. I will not play with you. This is what the peacock said to Rohit. Okay. Then Rohit meets a dog. Now he met a dog. उसको एक dog मिला. He asked him, will you play with me? उन्होंने डॉग से पूछा क्या तुम मेरे साथ खेलोगे? Peacock was not ready to play with him. So let's just go and ask the dog. डॉग से पूछते हैं कि डॉग मेरे साथ खेलेगा? The dog says, I am busy. Now the dog also said that I am busy. I am not free. Okay. I am looking after my master's house. मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? मैं अपने मालिक का घर ढूंढ रहा हूँ. क्या ढूंढ रहा हूँ? अपने मालिक का घर ढूंढ रहा हूँ. Yes, he is searching for his master's house. So I cannot play with you because I am searching my master's house. Yes. Now what happens? So I cannot play with you. This is what the dog said. He happens to see a parrot, crow, sparrow and horse. Now he saw all these animals and birds also. He saw parrot, he saw crow, he saw sparrow and horse. घोड़ा भी देखा उन्होंने. और क्या देखा? crow दिखा, कौवा दिखा, sparrow दिखी उन्हें, बुलबुल दिखी and क्या दिखे? parrot दिखे. He asked them the same question. Will you play with me? And with each and every one, इसके पास भी जाके वही question पूछा, उसके पास भी जाके वही question पूछा. Will you play with me? But now what happened? सबने क्या उसे जवाब दिया? Let's find it out. Yeah. We are busy. We have many things to do. We cannot play with you. They replied. Now what they say? We are busy. हम क्या हैं? हम सब busy है. हम आपके साथ नहीं खेल सकते. Go away from here. We will not play with you. I will not play with you. हम आपके साथ नहीं खेल सकते. We are busy. All the animals and birds replied this to him. Now you can think that कि रोहित के मन में क्या आ रहा होगा कि मेरे साथ कोई खेल क्यों नहीं रहा है? No one is, you can say, no one is free just like me. I am free. I want to play that, but no one is playing with me. Now what to do? Yeah. This has a great impact on Rohit. इस बात ने रोहित के दिल पर these words cause a great impact on Rohit. रोहित पर बहुत बड़ा प्रभाव पड़ा. रोहित ने जब ये सब बातें सुनी, then he realized that being free is not good. I should go to school every day. हमें स्कूल रोजाना जाना चाहिए. He says to himself, himself all of them are busy. Now what he's saying, all of them are busy, सब busy हैं, सब के सब busy है, मेरे साथ कोई नहीं खेल रहा है. They are doing something. It is only I who am not working. जो भी इंसान है, जो भी एनिमल है जिससे मैं पूछ रहा हूँ will you play with me, all of them are busy. Only I am the one who is free. I am having no work. Okay. Yeah. Now I will also do my work and keep myself busy. अब मैं क्या करूँगा, मैं भी अपना काम करूँगा और खुद को बिजी रखूँगा. मैं भी फ्री नहीं बैठूँगा, मैं भी अपना काम करूँगा. मैं भी सबको ये कहूँगा that I am busy. I am busy. I don't have time. मैं कुछ ना कुछ कर रहा हूँ. Now according to your views, आपके views के according क्या free रहना अच्छा होता है या going to school, doing the homework and then go to playing? आप खेलो भी, आप पढ़ाई भी करो, this is good. But if you are not coming to school every day and you are only playing, then this is not good, and your parents and your teachers will not praise you for that. Yeah. Now what happened, whenever there is a thing which is giving a big impact on yourself, you will start believing on it and there will be so many changes in your life. आपकी लाइफ में बहुत सारे चेंजेस आएंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि आपने उस चीज़ का जो प्रभाव आप पे पड़ा, आपने वो कुछ सीखा, आपने कुछ मोरल सीखा, आपने कुछ अच्छा सीखा और आपने अब उसके अकॉर्डिंग वर्क करना शुरू कर दिया. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स विल कॉज big impact on yourself. Yeah. He starts studying attentively and completes his homework also. Now what happened? उसने अपना homework करना शुरू कर दिया. All the time he did his homework करना शुरू कर दिया, अपनी studies करनी शुरू कर दी, अपनी पढ़ाई करनी शुरू कर दी, homework करना शुरू कर दिया. अब वो free नहीं रहता था, attentively पढ़ने लगा. बिल्कुल एक पढ़ना होता है. There are two types of studies. One is you are not paying the complete concentration or you are not 100% concentrated on your studies. And the second way is to be attentive. आप attentive रह के पढ़े, एक एक word आपको अच्छे से सुनाई दे, एक एक word आपको अच्छे से समझ आए. That is attentive learning. Yeah. He learns his lessons regularly और अपने lessons को रोज याद करना उसने शुरू कर दिया. In the evening, he goes to the playground and finds his friend there. Now what happened? In the morning when he used to go to the playground, there was no one. But in the evening when he came back from the school, he did all his homework and then he went for the playing. He find his friends there. उसको उसके friends वहाँ पे मिले जो कि उसके साथ खेल रहे थे, जो कि उसके साथ खेलना चाहते थे, because all of them were free. Okay? Yeah. Now you can see the changes in Rohit's life. Okay? Yeah. He plays with them for about an hour और वो उन सब के साथ 1 hour तक play करता रहा. After returning home, he takes his dinner and then revises what he studied at school. और घर पे आने के बाद क्या किया? उसने अपने सारे के सारे chapters को revise किया, homework complete किया और क्या किया? हाँ, yes, अपना dinner लिया, revise किया chapters की. Now there is a proper schedule of his life. Yeah, and what he studied in school, आज स्कूल में क्या क्या पढ़ा, ये सब कुछ रिवाइज करा. आप लोग सब भी रिवाइज करते हो? डू यू ऑल रिवाइज व्हाट यू हैव लर्नड इन द स्कूल ऑन द सेम डे? I guess some of you do. Okay, and if you are not doing this, please start doing this, because whatever you have read in school, if you will read it again, the things will stay in your head, in your mind for a longer period. Okay, so जो भी आप स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं घर पे जाके जरूर प्लीज उसे रिवाइज करिए. Yeah, with this change in his behavior, he is now liked by everyone. His teacher praised him for his punctuality and his parents feel proud of him. और जो ये changes, जो बदलाव उसकी लाइफ में आए थे, उसने उसकी लाइफ क्या बना दी? Easy बना दी और लोग अब उससे प्यार करने लगे, उसके टीचर्स उसको प्रेज करने लगे. And his parents start feeling proud of him. उसके पेरेंट्स उससे प्राउड फील करने लगे. सो what you all will do, if you don't like the studies, go and work. No one is there to play with you. So firstly do your studies, complete your homework, complete your assignments, then go for playing. Okay, this is what you all will do. Now please come to the page number 45. We will do the activity 1. Okay, yes. we will do the activity 1. Come on page number 45. Okay, I will tell you the answers of the activity. Yeah. So what you have learnt in this chapter is that we should always go to the school and we should complete our studies. If you will look on the page number 45, there are true or false. Okay. We should give up laziness. Yes. We should give up laziness. This is true. ये क्या है? सही बात है. True है. The peacock is free to play with the boy. क्या peacock free था play करने के लिए उस लड़के के साथ, रोहित के साथ? This is false because the peacock was busy in dancing. Okay. रोहित plays with his friends in the morning. क्या रोहित अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ मॉर्निंग में प्ले करता है? Tell me. No, this is false. रोहित plays with his friends in evening. वो कब खेलता है अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ? शाम को. Fourth is there are many children in the garden. No, this is false. Okay. Yeah. Okay. He goes to the playground, find his friends there. Yes. Now we will do the B part of activity. Okay. I hope that you have written all the answers. इन answers को please लिख लीजिए अपनी notebook में. Okay. This was your activity 1. Write it down. Okay. Yes. Activity 1 का अब हम part B करेंगे. Okay. Part B. Now come on page number 46. Choose the correct option. A punctual boy. A punctual boy कौन है? Who is punctual? A punctual boy. What he does not miss his school, does not do work on time, does not misuse things, does not waste his time. क्या होगा आंसर? Please tell me. Okay, a punctual boy is who does not miss his school. जो अपना स्कूल कभी मिस नहीं करता. Okay, that person is punctual. जो अपना स्कूल कभी मिस नहीं करता. Yes, this is the answer of the activity 1 part B. Yeah. Now second, who is not willing to work? कौन वर्क नहीं करना चाहता है? This was the answer for first. कौन काम नहीं करना चाहता बेटा? कौन से प्ले करना चाहता है? रोहित. Okay, so the answer is Rohit. The options are peacock. Peacock तो करना चाहता है. Yes, dog. Dog is also finding his master's house. Now the parrot is also busy. Only Rohit is free. So the answer is Rohit. Okay. Third question is laziness is dash for us. Laziness is good for us? No. Laziness is useful for us? No. Laziness is helpful for us? No. Laziness is bad for us. क्या है? Bad है, बुरी है laziness. हमें कभी भी laziness नहीं होनी चाहिए. हमारे अंदर कभी भी laziness नहीं होनी चाहिए. There should be no laziness in us. Okay. Yeah. I hope you got it till here. Okay, we will discuss the question answers now. Okay, we will discuss the part C. Why did Rohit find no friends in the garden to play with? रोहित को क्यों अब उसकी फ्रेंड्स गार्डन में नहीं मिले? Yes. What will be the answer? Why did Rohit didn't find his friends in the garden? Why? Let's just write Because his friends had gone to their school. ओके कि फ्रेंड्स कहाँ चले गए थे? अपने स्कूल चले गए थे टू स्टडी. किस लिए? पढ़ाई करने के लिए अपने स्कूल चले गए थे. राइट दिस आंसर इन योर नोटबुक. Yes, write this answer in your notebook, all of you. Yes, question number 2. Okay, write it down. Okay, now we will do the question number 2. Why did the birds and animals in the garden not play with Rohit? Now birds, animals garden में रोहित के साथ प्ले क्यों नहीं करना चाहते थे? Yes, because they were busy. Because they were busy. वो क्या थे? वो busy थे अपने वर्क में, इसलिए वो रोहित के साथ प्ले नहीं करना चाहते थे. Okay, this is why they didn't wanted to play with Rohit. Yeah. Write it down fast in your notebook because they were busy. First you will write down the question and then we will write down the answer. Okay. Now question number 3. In the end of the story, Rohit's parents were happy with him. Why? Why Rohit's parents were happy with him? Because he used to go to school. He used to go to, this answer you will write by yourself only. Used to go to स्कूल. क्या करता था वो? स्कूल जाता था. Does his homework, अपना होमवर्क कंप्लीट करता था. ओके, he used to do his homework and he was punctual. और क्या था वो? Punctual. This answer you will write by yourself only. Okay, this answer you will write in your notebook by yourself only. Now there is activity 2. This is your assignment for today. Okay, yeah, the activity 2 is your assignment for today. Assignment read chapter again. Do activity 1 and 2. Okay, so this is your assignment. Note it down in your diary or wherever you want to note it down. Okay students, so this is your assignment for today. I hope you can see it clearly that you will have to read the chapter again, and what you will have to do, you will have to do the activity first and second. The second activity you will be doing by yourself only. Yeah, and do reading comprehension. Do reading comprehension. This you will do. Okay, you will do the reading comprehension. I hope you have noted it down. Yes. So students, this was your chapter. Who will play with me? Today we have completed this chapter. This is your assignment for today. I hope that you have enjoyed the video and you have learned the morale that we should do our studies on time and we should go to school daily. Okay. So these are your assignments. This was your class of English. So class 5th. Be attentive. Keep on attending all the online sessions. Please don't skip any session. Okay. And it was a pleasure teaching you. Thank you so much for attending this class. I hope to see you soon. Stay blessed, stay happy, and best of luck for your future. And thank you again.